Reported speech, a single grammar topic which is of 5 marks but yet challenging and most difficult one. You ask your friends, or you can just realize by your own self, you can ask your teachers, anyone, a simple question, sir, ma'am, which is the most challenging, most difficult topic in entire second PUC English grammar. I bet you that they will certainly tell it is reported speech, and to a certain extent it is. But don't worry guys, in this video I'm going to provide you these 4 things. If you follow this, certainly you will be able to get 5 out of 5 in reported speech, and moreover it's not going to be difficult. So this is what we are going to discuss in this video. And one more thing, at the end of this video there is some special announcements, so stay tuned for that. Let's start the video without any further ado. Hey guys, I welcome you all to PUC Made Easy YouTube channel, learning the smarter way. So let's start one by one. Let's reveal what's the first thing out there. Okay, it's tenses. Guys, let me tell you why tenses are very important. See, as a whole reported speech, the base of reported speech is tenses. We have to do a lot of things with tenses. We have to identify that, we have to change it. So knowing tenses is something, a prerequisite, something which is fundamental. And for that, there is a roadmap. First, you have to watch a video. One video which I would like to suggest you is this video by Dear Sir. If you see, it has already crossed 90 million views. Come on, that's not a joke, guys. This video is 2-hour long video, and literally, you know, I have made the notes of this video in my second PUC. If you see, that's our second thing as well in tenses. The first thing which you have to do is watching video, which I've just shown you, and the second thing is make notes. With that, you have to also understand that watching video, making notes, but if you don't understand, it's no point, right? So you have to also understand everything discussed in that video, all type of tenses and how they work, what are the structure and everything. And lastly, you have to practice as well. You can go to any AI tool and you can just give the input, whatever you have learned, and then ask that particular AI tool to create a quiz or questions, flashcard on that particular thing which you have learned so far. This is fundamentally, this is the first thing you have to do. Apart from this, which no one tells you, but something which is very important in the roadmap in tenses is these 2 things. Guys, let me tell you, idu ನೀವು first of all clear ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. You know what? These are the things which you realize after making a lot of mistakes. So I was in the same situation as yours, knowing nothing, doing a lot of things together to learn reported speech. And after all that experience, after all that, mistakes, this is a roadmap, a structured roadmap, one after the other, chronological manner I'm providing you. So what are this? How to identify tenses and how to change tenses. You know why? In reported speech, if you see, simple present is to be converted into past present. Past continuous to be present continuous is to be changed to past continuous. This tense change happening in reported speech. For that, you have to identify tenses. If one sentence could be to change money anta kelidre, first of all you have to identify, right? So that is first thing. And once you learn how to identify tenses, the second thing which you have to do is learn to change tenses from one to other. We can do this in any way using any AI tool or any video, but fundamentally you have to understand tenses, and you have given the road. And I've given the roadmap for that. So this was all about tenses. Let's reveal what's the second thing up next for us. Okay, it is reported speech video itself. Let me tell you an important video. One video is enough, guys. Literally one video is this. Second PUC reported speech, 5 marks fix. By actually the channel was Mohammed Hussain Naika. It's changed to first and second PUC hub, but whatsoever, it's Mohammed sir, I have watched this video, and you know what, let me show you is that. Okay, yeah. See, this is the notes which I've prepared using this video itself. So this is an amazing one-stop video. It's just of 37 minutes. And with this video, you have to do quite similar things as we did for tenses. Watching the video, making notes, and understanding overall what the entire concept of reported speech is. Done. First is tenses. All that tenses I've said you. Second is reported speech. Let's reveal what is first and the third thing. It's notes. GT stands for go through. Okay, I didn't have enough space to write that. GT is nothing but go through a specific notes, which I'll be providing the link in description. Let's have a glance on that notes. This is reported speech note by a very renowned and respected teacher, Rupa ma'am. This is a very comprehensive notes I would like to tell you. What you have to basically do is that firstly, once you go through the tenses, once you go through the reported speech video, the third thing you have to do is go through this particular notes, of which link in the description. Just understand it overall. It has some 9-10 pages. It has, just go through overall what it has and what are the overall topics. That is more than enough. It's just that nimge enadru point kodbittu ninge explain madake helidre, you have to be in a position of explaining that. That's all it is. Finally, let's reveal what's us for the very last thing. Can you, any guesses, guys? Any guesses? Stop and just drop in the comment. Okay, So lastly, we have practice. Practice makes man perfect. Guys, these three things all way to understand, to know, to have a base of reported speech. Doing these three things won't promise you any marks. Let me honestly tell you this. The only thing which will promise you 5 to 5 is practice. And ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು roadmap ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. First is ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ 25-26 ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ there are overall 17 questions. 12 plus 5, 12 are department question bank questions, and 5 are those questions which will appear in 2025 exams. It includes 3 exams and model question papers as well. This is the first thing you have to do. Let me tell you, these 17 questions are very comprehensive, very dynamic, and it covers variety of questions. ಈ 17 questions ನೀವು ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು running, I don't think so will be left out with anything else to understand how to do. This will be an amazing practice for you. With this, the second thing which I want you to do is that 25-26 do more model question papers. You have to take that, you have to practice it, you have to take a test of that. You have known the concept, you have practiced the questions through these 17 questions. Now the time to actually test your understanding of these 3 questions of model question papers. After this, you can see a lot of doubts out there. What does it mean? It basically means that you have to practice a number of questions, be it through any reference material, OSWAL question bank, GWIT question bank, whatsoever. Just practice until when you should practice till you're 110% confident about reported speech. So guys, with this is all about reported speech. So guys, before ending the video, just want to let you know the surprise. It's basically that very soon I'm going to start PME Talks, a series in which you will learn a lot. You will develop your personality, and with that we'll also do exam oriented podcast. We are going to do exam oriented podcast discussing with the subject matter expert teachers. Make sure you watch the latest short video on the channel to get more info about this. And before signing off, would just request you to watch this video in case if you don't have a clear roadmap from November to Feb to score that dream percentage in your second PUC board exams. Okay guys, with this I will end this video. As always, I say